If you had property damage to your home during the July 4th flooding, you might be able to get some temporary tax relief from the County Tax Appraisal District. Some homeowners with major damage can request temporary tax appraisal reductions. Dozens of people have already applied, and tax appraisal officials expect that number to increase into the thousands. You will need pictures of damage like collapsed roofs and other information to request reduced temporary appraisals.
In 1135, there are four tiers of exemption ranging from minimum of 15% damage to the structure all the way to 100%. And then what happens after that is that amount of damage allocation is prorated over the amount of the year that the property was damaged. So as of July 5th is the date of the declaration, so that's the date of the allocation. So basically people will be looking at about 50% of the year their property was either damaged or gone, depending on the amount.
You can go to the Tom Green County Tax Appraisal website. Look for the link sanangeloflood.com to submit forms for appraisal consideration changes. The deadline to apply is October 20th for Tom Green County property owners to request any changes to appraisals. The appraisal district will follow up with a call or letter. At the convention